Okay, so let's integrate 5 over x times ln x to the power of 4. And we're going to use integration by substitution. And to do that, we need to choose a u within what we have here. And in this case, I'm going to select the ln of x. Okay? Of course, initially it might be tricky to figure out what we're going to choose, but this is going to work out quite nicely. And why is that? Well, let's take a look at this. If we take the derivative of ln of x, we get 1 over x. And don't forget the differential dx over here. And on the other side, we also need to derive u, so we get just du. Okay? So, let me just quickly rearrange what we have here. First, I'm going to take the 5 outside of the integral because it can just do that. Okay, so I get essentially 1 over ln x to the 4, and I'm just going to have this x here as in 1 over x with the dx over there. So this is exactly equivalent to what we had originally, everything that I wrote over here. I can just split up the 1 over ln x to the 4 and the 1 over x because essentially they're multiplying anyway. And look at what I have here. 1 over x dx is equal to du. Those are the same, right? So I can actually just replace this for du. And the ln of x is just u. So I can just rewrite the whole thing as 5, and then integral of 1 over u to the power of 4 du. Right, because 1 over x dx is equal to du anyway, so I can just replace it. And look at that. Now I can actually just integrate this rather simply. Can't I? Yes, I can. Because that's u to the power of negative 4. So what I can do is that I can add a 1, so I get negative 3, and divide it by negative 3 also, and add the constant at the end. So this I'll just rewrite as basically negative 5 over 3 u to the power of 3, right? Negative power, so just send it down below, plus c. And right now I just need to replace the u for ln of x, because that's what we had before. So negative 5 over 3 ln of x cubed. I almost forgot the x for some reason. And this is the final answer. There's another way to see the substitution here, or by replacing the u. What I could have done is actually multiply both sides of the equation here by x, and I would have gotten dx is equal to x du. I could have replaced that in here for the dx, and the dx, or sorry, the x's would have cancelled out, and we would have ended up with, sorry, we can't speak today. We would have ended up with the same thing. That's what I wanted to say, and finally I was able to say it. So that's it, and good luck.